Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna just jump right in. We are planning on building a greenhouse in the backyard with cattle panels and such. So I'll show you what we're doing and how far we've come along. If you're new to Cultivating Wild Roots, welcome. I'm Carrie and we're really glad you're here. I want to let you know that we are on Instagram, so go follow us over there and let's go see what we got going on in the backyard. We've got the layout kind of started for our greenhouse, and my husband is doing all of that work for us. So let me show you what we have going on. How's it going?
It's going all right.
Got it all level?
No.
Oh, that's pretty close.
It's not close enough.
Not close enough. Of course not. How big is it gonna be? 16 by 7. So we're planning on taking this whole section, if you can vision kind of like right around here. This is our dog run chicken coop area. And so we're gonna turn this whole section right here into a greenhouse. And we're essentially going to do like what we've done in our garden area, where we took these cattle panels right here and we hooped them to trellis like vining plants and stuff, and we're gonna do that over here. So we're gonna just hoop it around, and then we will cover that cattle panel with plastic. All right, you wanna explain what you're doing?
Right now I got a string line running along the patio, just so the greenhouse is even with the edge. Pounding in stakes, went and bought 6 2x6x8s. Was gonna do a 2x12x16. However, the price of lumber right now is ridiculous, and so I was able to get all the lumber I needed, including the stakes, at Home Depot for about the same price as a single 2x12x16. So it's a little more work, a little more wood, but way cheaper. So we'll get the stakes put in, and then we'll start hanging the 2x6s. There's going to be about a 3-inch gap underneath the 2x6s, just because our ground isn't level. However, it's going to take more time to try to level it than to just bring in some soil and seal it up at the bottom. Once we get the 2x6s put up, it's ready to hang the cattle panels.
Nice. So can we get that done tonight?
I don't think so.
Oh, come on.
Baby steps.
Dead middle.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right.
Is it nice and straight?
Yeah.
Are you helping Dad?
Yes.
Okay, hand me the tape measure.
That's it? You ready to hang them? Oh, dang. Are these treated?
Yes.
And they burn.
I think you're taking Axel's sleeping spot and turning it into a greenhouse.
Oh, look at him. Look at how sad he looks.
He's tired.
He's just old.
Old and tired. All right, so it looks like you got the wood all staked up and ready for the cattle panel, right?
Yes.
Then what? So you're gonna just, are you hanging the cattle panel from the inside or the outside?
The inside. Are you gonna interview me?
No, I just want to know what you want to say.
Okay, so the 2x6s are hung up. Everything's level. It's level with the 2x6s across. The squares on the cattle panel are 8 inches wide, and so I'm gonna put the second wire on the top of the 2x6, and then we're gonna use staples to staple the bottom wire. We're gonna bend it so that the outer wire bends circumferentially. That way it's easier when we're pulling the plastic over. It doesn't snag on the perpendicular wires.
Right, yeah, that's a good idea.
And you have no idea.
Circumferentially.
Yes.
Got it.
Science.
Science. Ooh, it looks good. Stand up so we can see what it looks like. That's pretty good though. Oh, it's going up higher. I gotcha. Okay, so we have it at the height that we want, and now he's hammering it in. What's that? What are those called?
Fencing staples.
Fencing staples. I was gonna call them cattle panel nails. So how many of those do we have to put on each one?
We go every other.
Every other?
Yeah.
Is that enough? Okay. Man, I have to give this guy some props right here. He worked all day, came home to build Mama a greenhouse, then took the babies to baseball, came back home to finish working on the greenhouse, and it's like 9 o'clock at night. But he likes to make Mama happy. Isn't that right?
That's right.
You can see we have the panels all attached now. So be on the lookout for our next video, and we'll show you a part 2 on how we wrapped the greenhouse with plastic and the finishing touches that we put on it.